thought this would be pretty cool to share with you guys. These cheap dinos that have Jurassic Park sounds to them at Walmart Adventure Force. There's a roaring Rex and a mighty Megasaur. I don't know what it is. Looks more like a Rex than anything, especially with the hands. Let's take a listen to this one. And this one down here, you just push it down and the eyes light up. Wow. Cheap dinos that have Jurassic Park sounds in them. I can't say they're half bad. At least, not in my opinion. I had a couple of things like this when I was a kid.